likely in the evening, then a chance of showers and a slight chance of thunderstorms
The
after
National
midnight.
Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe
Lows in
thunderstorm
the upper
warning for
40s.
southern Will County in
Southwest
northeastern
winds 15
Illinois,
to 25
northern
miles
Kankakee
per
County
hour with
in
gusts
northeastern
up to
Illinois
35
until
miles per hour
7:30
in the
p.m.
evening, becoming west
At
and diminishing to 10 to
6:47
15
p.m., a
miles per
severe
hour
thunderstorm
after
was
midnight.
located 7 miles
Chance of
west of
precipitation
Limestone, or 8
70%.
miles north of Hershey,
For Friday,
moving northeast
mostly
at
cloudy.
55 miles per hour.
Highs in the lower 60s.
Hazard: ping pong ball size
Southwest
hail and
winds 10
60
to
miles
15
per
miles.
hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kankakee, Park Forest, Bourbonnais, Frankfort, Bradley, Steger, Manteno, Wilmington,
Kankakee.
Peotone, Momence, Frankfort Square, Crete, University Park, Manhattan, Monee, Beecher, Limestone, Lakewood Shores, Grant Park, and Essex. Including the following Interstate 57 between mile markers 313 and 338. This includes Governors State University, Kankakee River State Park, Olivet Nazarene University, and Will County Fairgrounds. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northeastern Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northeastern Illinois. The severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lake and northeastern Cook counties is canceled.